Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord nickname in a server. For that, first of all, simply come here on discord.com and then log in into your account. Now, when you are inside your Discord account, you just have to simply select that particular server where you want to change your nickname. For example, let's say I've selected this particular new club server of mine. So over here, whichever server you are in, you are going to see the option of members. So simply click on the option of members in order to see the members list. Now over here you just have to simply find your own name, and when you are able to find it, simply click on the three dots right next to your name, then select the option of edit per server profile. So after clicking on this particular option, you will be landed here on this particular page, or you will be shown this type of page where what you need to do is you need to simply just find your nickname field, and then you need to enter the new name that you want to use in that particular server. So over here you just have to simply do that, and when you are done with this, simply click on the option of the save icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen in order to save these changes. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.